You guys, welcome back. Today is the day. We're getting more chickens. Are we ready for them? Probably not, but I can't stop my wife and she wants more chickens. We're gonna be going to get more chickens, and Amanda had a great idea because I was like, we don't have anything to transport them in. So Amanda said, why don't we get these shelves? These are shelves where normally you'd have, they all stacked together. Like it'd be a tall shelf for the garage or something. So anyways, Amanda had the idea to wrap it all with hardware cloth, just like that. Cut a little hole in the top. We're gonna put a door here. They're all separated. So we got a separate pin here. We got a separate pin here. So we can go pick up chickens, rabbits. If you got to separate some roosters, you can use this for like a little nursery. If somebody got hurt, a sick chicken, a sick rabbit. Anyways, the point is you can separate different animals in them. But we're going to use it to transport animals, chickens and rabbits, ducks, whatever we got. They fit in the back of the pickup truck. You can double stack them. And when we're done with it, if I want to go fishing or something, I got crab traps. That's what it looks like to me. Tell me I don't look like some kind of crab trap or something. So this here's going to be my lid. Somehow it's going to be on a hinge like that. You get what I mean? Mm-hmm. That's my little door I made with this on top. So Amanda set me up, y'all. She said, I have to go get these new hens. They're already full grown, and that way all the roosters have plenty of girls, and they're all breed specific. They're 100% purebred, Barb Rock, Americana, or whatever, Buff. Or Buff, whatever she got. I don't even know. They're inside this cage right here that I'm getting ready to show you. But anyways, we get out there. Okay, we drive like an hour away, so we're already an hour out of our way. Of course, we're gonna buy them no matter what. And they're a little bit smaller than I thought they were gonna be. So they're only about 4 months old, which ain't bad. So I figure I'm gonna keep them in here for a couple weeks at least, let them get a little bit bigger, and then we'll let them all go, or let them out. So we got them food set up. I got them chick starter because, like I said, they're still kind of small.
Still young.
Our girls are laying eggs, so they're on laying feed. They're all waiting. Everybody's waiting for us to show them what we got in the box. All right, here it goes, guys. I never got my hinges put on here, so we can just set it over there. Oh, they are ready to get out. All right, so here's one compartment here. Looks like we got 3 buffs and 2 barb rocks. This one here, it looks like 2 barb rocks, 1 buff, and 2 reds. So what is that, 8, 9, 10? 10 total. Good job, Amanda. Way to sneak 10 more birds onto the farm. But it's all right. Like I said, I'm almost done with that other coop here, and now that we're only down to 2 roosters, I think we're gonna be okay. So go ahead and see if we can get them out. You'll be okay. So there's a red.
Yeah.
This is your new home. The buffs are pretty big.
Yeah.
What did he say? He said they were 4 months old, right?
Yeah. Oh, that feels good.
It's gonna be okay.
Yeah. There we go. Go, go, go. Come on, babies. Come here. Why are you guys acting funny? Come here.
What's their names?
Oh, I don't know that yet. I don't know that.
Hi.
These are so pretty.
They are. Hi.
I love the color. This blonde color. Alright, there you go.
But, oh, look at them, man. They're eating already. They're hungry.
Oh, yeah. You figured hour drive. They're ready.
Yeah.
You're hungry.
Man, they're making themselves right at home.
Good sign. Good sign.
Look at that, y'all. They don't waste any time. But if y'all are new to this channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button because we got a lot of chicken content coming. We're gonna be starting a whole big poultry farm. Not big, but small scale, big.
And then
Pretty big, a couple hundred birds probably.
Yep. And then we'll do gardening stuff on here.
Yeah.
And then we'll also have goats.
It's gonna be fun.
Be fun.
You're right at the very beginning of it. Like we just got the brand new house set up. We're just starting our homestead. This channel is all just chickens and farming.
Fun
farm
stuff.
Animals, stuff like that. Fun stuff, yeah. And I'm very excited about these coops here. So this one's almost done. Like I said, it should be released probably next week, maybe the week after. I should be done with it, and I'll show you guys how we built it and stuff. And pretty cool. I already showed you guys how we built this one. That video's on here, so if you guys go check it out. We are inside the coop. It is our monthly coop refreshing time.
It's like spring cleaning before the spring.
Yeah. So this is how Amanda does her coop. She just shakes out the little grass things, puts new bedding in there for them, get it all cleaned out. Then the rest of this right here, the coop, like we don't scrape it all out every time. Like every 6 months we come in here and we'll scrape all this out. But we do what is called the deep litter method. Okay, and that is just making this stuff really deep, just like it sounds. And underneath, it'll start composting itself, and the chickens help it out by scratching and stuff. So we just go right over top of it with some new stuff. So we're gonna empty this whole bag out, just throw it on the ground and just kick it around, and the chickens take care of it for you.
Handful in there.
Notice we have a light up here. I don't remember hanging it. Does that work?
Yeah. Yeah.
Hey, we never use it.
I use it.
That should be a rat or something.
I won't say that. Last thing I'd expect in this.
I just kicked it out with my feet. And that's how you clean a coop, y'all. So I just want to take you guys real quick and show you the progress that I'm making on the chicken coop builds. There's our old coop. This is the new coop. It is almost done, y'all. I just got to put a roof on and add a door. And then this coop over here, I started that and that's as far as it got. Now I did put one piece up here for the roof. Now this is more of a visual. This is just a temporary sitting there, it's not really attached to anything. But just to give you an idea of what it's going to look like when it has a roof on it. Alright everybody, that will wrap it up for today's video. We had a lot of fun today. We got some new chickens. The coops are starting to come along really good. Y'all make sure you tune in next time to see the progress that we're making here on the new homestead. We love y'all and we will see you on the next one. Bye.